So the rule is rock, paper, scissors, but except there's only one way to go, okay?
Have you ever played a game like rock, paper, scissors, but with a thrilling twist and one clear path to success? Well, you're in for a treat. Welcome back to the Finance Zoom channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to financial independence, uncovering the essential steps championed by the one and only Dave Ramsey. Let's jump right in.
Get out of debt. When you don't have any payments, you know what you've got? Money. Do I care if you get out of debt? Yes, I want you to win. I want you to have a great life.
Number 1. Becoming debt-free. Dave Ramsey firmly believes that your income is the primary tool for accumulating wealth. When a substantial portion of your earnings is consistently directed towards repaying debts, you unintentionally divert your wealth-building potential towards financial institutions, such as banks, which may flaunt opulent structures and luxurious furnishings. In Ramsey's view, this practice not only obstructs your wealth-building journey, but can also prove detrimental to your overall financial well-being. Liberating yourself from the clutches of debt is a potent strategy for regaining control over your income. This freedom allows you to allocate your money intentionally and align it with your financial objectives. By breaking free from the shackles of debt payments, you unlock the ability to make informed choices with your finances, paving the way for a more secure financial future. Essentially, it is a crucial step towards achieving financial empowerment and mastering the art of sound money management.
A written budget, when you will lay it out and stick to it, will give you the sense that you have gotten a raise. It feels like you got a raise because your money is so stinking out of control when it's not in control.
Number 2. Budgeting. This is the path to financial control. Dave Ramsey stresses that achieving control over your finances is contingent on having a budget. While budgeting might appear daunting at first, it's a straightforward process. Here are the essential steps. First, track your expenses. Begin by meticulously recording all of your expenses. This means keeping a detailed account of every penny you spend. By doing so, you clearly understand where your money is going. Second, track your income. Equally important is monitoring your income. Know how much money you earn regularly, and be precise in your calculations. This step helps you determine the financial resources at your disposal. Third, allocate every dollar. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of giving every dollar you earn a purpose. In other words, ensure that you allocate your income to specific categories, such as savings, bills, entertainment, etc. This allocation prevents wasteful spending and guides your financial decisions. When you effectively distribute your money within these categories, you'll likely discover that your financial situation improves and you feel more prosperous each day. Budgeting empowers you to make informed financial choices and takes a significant step closer to financial stability. Number 3. Stay within budget. Following a budget is crucial, but staying within its confines is equally important. Once you've allocated your income to various categories, adhering to these allocations is imperative. Avoid overspending or deviating from your budgeted amounts. Staying within your budget ensures that your financial plan remains effective and is a key factor in achieving your financial goals. In essence, staying within your budget represents a commitment to responsible financial management, which is fundamental to achieving financial independence and securing your financial future. Next, poor people often waste money on things I want to share with you today, so you can avoid spending on these items and ultimately build wealth. It all starts with this.
You can't afford it. You can't afford it. You can't afford it. If you didn't pay for the item 100% in cash on the spot, you can't afford it.
Number 4. Avoid buy now, pay later schemes. Dave Ramsey was right about it. You can't afford it is the mantra to remember. These schemes often prompt immediate gratification, but can lead to long-term financial difficulties. Remember, if you cannot afford it, don't buy it. This notion is a stark reminder that responsible financial management requires purchasing based on your current financial capacity rather than committing to future payments. Here's a more in-depth exploration of why avoiding buy now, pay later is crucial. First, Debt accumulation. Buy now, pay later offers may seem enticing. Still, they typically involve accumulating debt through deferred payments or high-interest financing. These schemes can lead to a cycle of debt that's difficult to escape. Second, interest and fees. Many schemes come with hidden costs, such as high interest rates and fees. Over time, these additional expenses can erode your financial stability. Third, impact on budget. You may jeopardize your budget and financial goals by succumbing to the allure of instant gratification. Committing to future payments may leave you with less disposable income for savings, investments, and debt reduction. Dave Ramsey's advice to only purchase what you can afford resonates deeply with living within your means. It encourages you to prioritize financial discipline and fiscal responsibility, two key components of achieving financial independence. By avoiding buy now, pay later temptations and adhering to Ramsey's wisdom, you can safeguard your financial well-being and move closer to your goal of financial freedom. Here's number 5 that you need to pay attention to. Number 5 in the journey to financial independence, as emphasized by Dave Ramsey, is to pay close attention to your online spending. In today's digital age, online shopping has become incredibly convenient and accessible, often leading people to overspend without realizing it. As Dave Ramsey wisely advises, the enemy of online spending is intentional budgeting. Take control of your finances by setting clear budgets, tracking your online expenses, and ensuring your spending aligns with your financial goals. Avoid the temptations of instant gratification and focus on securing your financial future instead. Remember, financial independence is not just about how much you earn, but how wisely you manage what you have. Keep a vigilant eye on your online spending to ensure your money works for your long-term financial well-being.
Then when you get ready to buy a house, you want to put as much down as you can put down. If you put down 20%, it'd be ideal because you can avoid PMI, private mortgage insurance, which is merely foreclosure insurance that if you get foreclosed on, it pays the mortgage company if they lose money on you.
As per Dave Ramsey, when buying a house, heed this advice. Aim for a substantial down payment, ideally 20%, to secure financial stability, lower monthly payments, and avoid private mortgage insurance costs. This safeguards you against foreclosure and paves the way for long-term financial security. Number 6, buying a home. Owning a home can offer several long-term financial benefits, one of the most prominent being the potential for appreciation in value. When you buy a home, you're investing in an asset that historically tends to appreciate over time. This means that, as the years pass, the value of your home is likely to increase, building equity and wealth. Here are the key benefits of owning a home and the long-term appreciation. First, building equity. Each mortgage payment you make typically includes both principal and interest. As you pay the principal, you're building equity in your home. This equity is like a savings account that grows as you make mortgage payments, and it can be tapped into later in life if needed. Second, stability and predictable costs. When you own a home with a fixed-rate mortgage, you have the advantage of stable housing costs. Rent increases over time, while mortgage payments on a fixed-rate loan stay the same, providing financial predictability. Third, potential for profit. While real estate markets can fluctuate over the long term, property values often appreciate. This can result in a significant profit when you sell your home, especially if you've owned it for many years. Fourth, tax benefits. Homeownership can also bring tax advantages. Mortgage interest and property taxes may be deductible, reducing tax liability. Fifth, assets for future generations. A home can be passed down to your heirs, providing a valuable asset for future generations. It's important to note that while homeownership can offer these benefits, it's not without costs and responsibilities. Maintenance, property taxes, insurance, and other expenses should be considered. Moreover, the real estate market can be unpredictable, and there are no guarantees of immediate or substantial returns. Before deciding to buy a home, it's crucial to assess your financial situation, plan for a down payment, consider your long-term goals, and ensure that homeownership aligns with your overall financial strategy. However, for many, purchasing a home can be a sound financial decision contributing to their path to financial independence. Number 7. Invest for your future. The path to financial independence involves investing, for example, in mutual funds, Roth IRAs, and other investment vehicles. The Roth 401k offers a tax-free retirement dream. You save after-tax dollars. When you retire, every withdrawal, including earnings, is tax-free. It's like having an untouched financial oasis. With a Roth 401k, your financial future is secure and tax-free. Say goodbye to worries about taxes eating into your retirement funds. It's your money to savor in your well-deserved retirement. Here's an encouraging perspective on the importance of investment and the remarkable benefits of compound interest. Compound interest can be your greatest wealth-building ally. It means earning interest on your initial investment and then on the interest itself. Over the years, this has resulted in substantial financial growth. What's inspiring is that the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound, enhancing your potential for financial success. Think of it like planting a tree. The best time was yesterday, but the second best is today. Your financial future will thank you for investing in your dreams and goals. While investments carry risks, diversifying your portfolio and seeking professional advice are essential. Your path to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. Wise investing is a crucial step towards confidently crossing the finish line. Start early, stay committed, and watch your wealth flourish through the power of compound interest. Your financial future holds even more promise than you imagine. What do you think about this topic? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Soon channel. I'll see you in the next video.